Amashomero ga senior gatandika kwegaranjura mu Bukedia comprehensive hamwe n'umishomero ya Ngora high school bo bari kwetebekanisa kuzana empira y'amashomero arengo Rwihanga. Impaka z'amashomerezi nizitandika ibiro bitane rizoba ubu bari kuzaha myanya na bwanyuma bamare 210 mu district ya Bukedia ukuriga ibiro bitano ukite 12 kwezi oku. Irizoba ibiro bitano amashomero ga myanya kutunga ukwambwa ubo batunje uburaro umashomero agatayise agarumiri ya Bukedia comprehensive amwe n'ishomero rya Ngora high school. Imizaneji neza kutandikaho izuba rya nyicakare ubu bakubwabwanaho abaramuzi b'umupira igashibete barifarisha hibiriza kasheshe ukikasha mushanjuzi hangwe ari Bukedia comprehensive na bwanyuma batanditse impaka zabo ushaha munana mpaka shayi 11 z'umwabaziu abishayi bitari bimwe na bimwe arikusibura abazani kwegeta umuri Bukedia executive director wa St Mary's Tende Dr. Lawrence Murindwa yashaba abazani be ugenda n'kigenderwa icyabatwara utiriho ukangura impakezi. Murindwa yashaba abazani kwitebekanisiza ubuhanguzi bwa buri district na region zitari zimwe na zimwe ari kugira ngo beine kukwatanisiza hamwe bakamanye cyabatwara.
To this important function, when we are sending off our gallant soldiers to go on a mission, I want to appreciate the work which has been done in preparation for the team, starting from our coaches and the medical team. They have done a lot to ensure that we have reached this far. Can we thank those people? Now we are going for national championship.
Ndweja kuzana empakezi ukorege biro mukaga ukite 2011 kwezi oku na bwanyuma batunjeho culture night na bwanyuma batunjeho culture night hamwe no kuzana na bwanyuma batunjeho empaka z'eby'obuhangwa hamwe n'emizano 2012 ebyo kwezi oku ayishomero lya Bukedia batyo bagumize mu emizano egi ebiro 13 abibaratunjire umuhanguzi w'empaka nizo zimwe achayi ekya Bukedia comprehensive na bwanyuma bapakire byabo bagaritse omuka ubukasheshe kebiro 14.